In today's tutorial I'm going to show you some of the new features in Filmora 12. Before we start, subscribe to Flat Media and let's hit that 1000 subscribers, and as well like the video. Also get your Elements Envato subscription to get access to the best stock footage out there. Let's now start. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you layout mode. This is new update which makes your work more easier. You can select whatever mode you prefer like default, organic, timeline, short video and classic. Also here is another great feature, the keyboard shortcuts. Now you can easily see the keyboard shortcuts here. Next interesting feature is AI Audio Stretch Tool. This tool helps you when you have long video and short background music, and with this tool you can make the music as long as your video. You don't need to copy and paste music like previous. New interesting feature is adjustment layer. This feature allows you to make changes below adjustment layer. Choose some video, I will choose some from the stock, then put the adjustment layer on the top, and shorten as long as your video is. With this feature you can change things like color, transform, compositing and effects. With adjustment layer you can make changes at several clips at once. There is auto option, but you can make color corrections manually. The interesting thing is that you can add keyframe. For example, you may want to add more temperature tint or something else, then gradually reduce it. As you can see on the video. Subscribe to Flat Media.